Meaning of decomposition.
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 Decomposition. Decomposition refers to the process of breaking down a complex system or substance into simpler parts or elements. This can be done through various methods such as chemical reactions, physical processes, or mathematical equations. The result of decomposition is a simplified representation of the original system or substance, which allows for better understanding and analysis. By breaking down a system into its constituent parts, it becomes easier to identify weaknesses or inefficiencies and develop targeted solutions. Additionally, decomposition is an important concept in fields such as ecology, where the breakdown of organic matter is necessary for nutrient cycling and ecosystem health.